Hi darlings, today I'm going to show you how to deep clean a gas cooker. You won't believe how easy it is to unassemble the parts of this gas cooker. Trust me, you're going to love this video and it will motivate you to clean up your gas cooker this weekend. Let's get started. So this is how this gas cooker currently looks. It wasn't so dirty, but the oven part was definitely dirty. And funny thing is, I don't use this a lot, but I don't know how it gets so dirty. So first things first, so I unassembled the parts of the gas cooker, this part of the oven part of it. So you see this glass you're looking at, there's something that is holding it just where I pointed. For this particular cooker, it may vary for different cookers. So for this particular cooker, there's something there like a hook that holds it. So I just pushed the glass inside, that's pushed it forward, and voila, the glass came out and I started the cleaning up. So like you have to know that for different gas cookers, it's going to be like a different technique, but just trust me, just open that part and look around, play around it, and you see that it's very easy to unassemble. So yeah, basic things, wash this up. If there's so much grease on it, you have to use like an iron sponge or like a tougher sponge, and then I clean that up, I spread it. Then for the oven tray, I wash this. And then for the oven rack, this is where work is. Do you know I have never used this thing, but I don't know if maybe there are insects that like move in the oven, especially because I don't use it, so it's not hot enough to chase these insects away. So I think that there are probably insects that go there and do their thing. But yeah, I shall clean. That is the most stressful part to clean. That thing was very tough. It was very greasy and very difficult to clean. So I used iron sponge for it. So next thing I did was to take out this no, I can't remember what this thing is called. Okay, so I've just browsed and apparently it's called grates. I think I used to call it like the burner something. Anyway, I take out these burner covers and then I wash that. And then I went into the oven. Hey, if you see the grease, there was something I cleaned out and it felt like it was gum. I'm really not sure what's happening inside this oven. But yeah, so the scrubbing and scrubbing, this was very nice to do. It was tiring, but it was very nice to do. I think that the best time to do this is at night or in the evening. So you're going to see that on top of this panel, I have like a pot and a pan here. So because I had taken out that glass that covered it on this other side, um, the door itself now became very loose. So yeah, I had to hold it down with like that pot and that pan. So for this place, I used a toothbrush for the places where my hand couldn't enter, and then I scrubbed this part. It wasn't really dirty, and then I went over the gas top, and then I cleaned on top, cleaned the inside. So I was saying that I think that the best time to do this is at night or in the evening after a not so stressful day, so that when you've cleaned this, you give your gas like enough time for everything to dry, and then when you wake up in the morning and you come to cook, oh my god, like your gas will be so clean, you'll be so happy, you make a nice meal because your gas is very clean and popping. If you've been suffering to clean these gas knobs, I'm here for you. See how easy it is to pull that out. So you just press it in and you drag it out and it is out. So this is what it looks like. Like I said earlier, certain things may vary for different gas cookers. So what you just have to be careful of is like when you pull it out, you just have to look carefully and understand how it was arranged so that you can easily put it back. So here I was just showing you how mine was arranged. There's like a coil inside the other circular compartment, and you just fix the other parts and put it together into the knob, into the space for the knob. Does that English make sense? I don't know, but yeah. So it was time to put back everything in, and yeah, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned one or two things, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will answer in the comment section. Okay, bye.